right, namaskar, good morning everyone from wherever you are logging in from the world. Welcome to Connect One. There's a beautiful quote that says nothing about us without us.
My daughter is type 1 and that type of motivational message he used to give to all type 1 kids.
I've got many now who have finished 50 years of diabetes, 55, 60, 65 years, started when they were children and now doing extremely well.
Big hello to everyone who's at Connect One today. I'm Gaurav Kapoor, sending you all lots of love and strength upward and onward.
So we have a total of 5 symposiums. The first symposium is called Type 1 Diabetes and I
I am able to make some kind of impact in diabetes of mine.
To Yuvraj, you wearing a fabulous super Spider-Man t-shirt. So you are a superhero already, man.
Show people that how you are going ahead.
My inner self only tells me that, oh my god, what if something happens to Bhav, you have to check it, and then I do it.
In one word, can you describe the smell of insulin?
It's like vinegar but not as strong.
Have to do this for Rashi. I think she deserves like full Indian style. Nazar na lage to you.
Definitely going to be a problem, and she was on top of it. So she's usually 15 minutes ahead of when I notice or when it shows up on my glucose meter.
I would really like to thank Connect One.
Now we are going on to the second symposium, that is living the life.
One thing which I believe in is you believe in yourself. There is nothing you can do. You believe in yourself, and whatever you seek, you shall find.
So thank you so much for such an insightful session. So which one do you think is a game changer? Is it the long acting ones or the short acting ones?
I think the long acting ones.
And after learning about all the different types of insulins, the next thing that we need to know about is how to take our insulin. Never freeze your insulin. Do not keep it in the chiller compartment. I attended the first symposium. It was just amazing.
So if you were to describe hypo and hyper in one word, what would that be?
Scary and scary. I think both of them are scary.
Kamlesh, when did you start properly logging? क्योंकि मैंने भी बहुत ऊपर नीचे किया है logging में.
When I came to Udaan, there is a rule to do the loggings that gives you interpretation. There is Udaan diary specifically.
Diet, exercise, activity, and timing of your meals and insulins.
So happy to be a part of this amazing initiative, connecting people from across the globe, and irrespective of whichever time zone we are in, we are here attending it.
I think it has inspired us all to talk about what we are living with.
Hello. Dr. Jyoti is the tech guru of diabetes, as we all know him.
For the last 4 years, we have these connected glucose meters in the Indian market and in the global market.
हमारे लिए it's actually a moment of gratefulness है कि हम देखें कहाँ से journey start हुआ था in management of diabetes and where we've reached now.
The most remarkable discovery will be the use of APS, the artificial pancreatic systems, and the do-it-yourself.
Is there an age requirement to begin looping? Can it be done for a toddler, say?
We have people looping on DIY systems from as young as 6 months old.
Fill in the blanks, please. I last changed my Lancet on.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
After the fourth surgery also, we will have to remove your transplanted pancreas.
What do we do when things get a little tricky? The good old Indian jugaad. Since the last year or two, I truly believe that if you could pick between a pump and a CGM, as a person living with type 1 diabetes, my advice would be go for the CGM first.
Fourth symposium, which is food for thought.
Women and exercise in this country still have very long way to go.
Are you a person who likes online shopping or shopping in person?
Definitely in person.
Okay.
I have to touch a few things.
Yeah. What is that one top tip that you would give a T1 who wants to start exercise?
I think the first thing is to monitor your blood sugar levels.
So whatever change you want to do, you make sure that you do it slowly. So what I did was that incremental मैंने कम किया. So I went from 2 rotis to 1.5 roti to 1 roti to half roti.
And thank you for having us. There was some excellent presentations going on there, so it was great to see. But I would say I'll reverse Spider-Man. It's actually with great responsibility. That's to look after yourself first.
Or some things, some Bollywood dancing class. That's a cardio exercise, so you might probably need a little bit more of carbohydrates because you tend to go a little bit lower.
So this particular session, the final session, is all about that. How to face our fears, get stronger, look into the future, understand what's there for us there.
I said, you guys are doing really good work. I think it's fantastic to see all your organizations coming together and having this loose alliance of working as it should be.
If endocrinology was an emoji.
Smiley face.
Different things can help different people, and it's about knowing that individual that you love and that you care about, and really thinking about the other difficult things in life. How do they like to be helped? How do you like to be helped?
I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes at 2 years old, so I've never known a life outside of it. I think from personal experience, I would rather have someone ask me and me be annoyed at them asking than have no one ask at all.
You can't treat diabetes alone. There is the importance of friendship, social media, connecting with people.
I remember what I was like when I was 11 years old, newly diagnosed, scared, confused. And I remember that I need to continue doing what I'm doing.
So yeah, if hyper was an emoji.
It would be the confused emoji,
And Shavi, if hypo was an emoji.
Oh, sleep, that z thing.
I'm sure, just like me, all of us feel really thrilled, seeing everybody together, connected as one.
And we will see you all 2021 in person. We will connect, as Gaurav Kapoor said in the start. So with that, this is done. It's a wrap.